Now, next concept is packaging. Packaging is all about the container of the product. The simple meaning is it is the container of the product. The process to make the container of the product is called as packaging. So, what are the different things we are doing in the process of packaging? We are deciding the size of the packet. We are deciding what should be the written on the packet. We are deciding how it will be the content, so the product will be the safe. We will decide how it will look so that it will act as the for the advertisement purpose. So packaging is all about these things. It is also the strategic things. So if somebody asks what is the meaning of packaging, so packaging is all about the activities to design and producing the container for the product. Well designed packaging or well designed package can build the brand equity and they drive the sales. Packaging is also known as the 5-second commercial. Basically, packaging has two main purpose, or packets of or the container has two main purpose. One, to keep the product safe. Second, to give the 5-second commercial for the product. So that is the basic meaning of packaging. Inside the packaging, we have the labeling. Basically, labeling is the part of packaging, or labeling is one of the integral part of packaging. Anything which is written, which is pictured, which is posted, which is barcoded, the color, everything is comes under the labeling. Labeling has two forms: persuasive labeling and informational labeling. Persuasive labeling means whatever the thing a company wants to show, it may be the design, it may be the brand image, it may be the color, it may be the name, it may be the look, whatever the company wants to show, as that is called as persuasive. It you may think of the style, you may the name of the brand, you may see the picture, you may see some color combination. They all are the persuasive labeling. And another labeling is called as informational labeling. Informational labeling is to give the information about the product. It is not for the persuasive, it is for the informative, like price of the product, expiry date, manufacturing date, barcode, ingredient of the product. If there is any warning, it must be written, like smoking is injurious to health. That is the informative information for that. So labeling is integral part of the packaging. Next concept, branding. Basically, before understanding the branding, we must know what is the brand. You see here, everything which is offered to sell is called as product. But if that source or if that offering is coming from the known source, we call it as the brand. Like if I ask you, how many mobile company name you can remember or you can tell me, you may say 5 or 6, but maybe 20 companies are there who is offering the mobile phone. So all 20 companies who is offering the mobile phone, they are product. But those product which is coming through the known source, recognized source, accepted source, they are known as brand. Like if you are talking about the mobile phone, Nokia, Samsung, Apple, they all are the Sony, they all are the leading brand company in the field of. Other brand are also there. We may not know, we may not remember at this moment of time. So their brand level is lower. At some company, they have the name, but not as famous as this company. So the marketing practice of, so then this is the meaning of brand. Then what is the branding? To make, or the process of making of a product to a brand, slowly from down to the up, is called as branding. Means initially we have to do the advertisement, we have to do the different activities to make some label, maybe at the 9 level, then to the 8 level, then to the 7 level, then to the positioning level, then to the 5th level, then to the 1st level. It will take time. So whatever the efforts a marketeers put, whatever the process marketeers put. It may be through the advertisement, it may be through the different promotional activities, it may be through the seminar or through the public relation or whatever the things a company do to make their product into category of brand is called as branding. Why they are doing it? A branding is the process by which company distinguishes their product offering from their competitors. Marketers develop their product into the brand. Some of the famous brands are Apple, BMW, Samsung, Microsoft, Honda, Marlboro, Coke, etc. Under the marketing concept, we have other things are also there. But for a time being, at least we should know what is the branding is.